Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video I am actually going to be cooking breakfast and cleaning. It is Saturday morning for me and I am making breakfast for the week and I am making sweet potato like coconut flour muffins. This recipe is paleo and it is one of my all-time favorite recipes for fall. It is it's kind of like a pumpkin muffin. You can substitute the pumpkin or the sweet potato, whatever you want. But yeah, this is my favorite recipe for fall, or one of them, and I'm going to be eating this for breakfast for the week. Like I said, it's Saturday morning for me, and I was really bad yesterday. I didn't really do any cleaning, so my kitchen is a mess. Oh, there's my little girl. Are you going to help me?
Yeah, I'm helping you make up.
Yeah, oh, she was helping me put on my makeup. But actually, Chris just left to go give blood, so it's just Ev and I right now.
And he's go to the doctor.
Yeah.
And he's hurt his back.
Oh, he hurt his back. Okay. So he went to go give blood, so it's just the two of us. So hopefully Ev can help me clean the house or clean up the kitchen at least. But yeah, my kitchen is at like a total war zone. So it's one of those days where I have to clean the whole kitchen before I can cook. So that's what today's video is going to be. If you like this kind of video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. This week on my channel is cooking and cleaning week. So Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday are all going to be videos just like this, showing you my favorite recipes and kind of throwing in some cleaning in there. This lighting is bad. Oh my god, I look dead. This lighting is terrible. So yeah, so with that being said, let's get started.
Oh.
Are you gonna help me clean?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get cleaning.
Let's get cleaning.
Yeah.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. Oh, you meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares too. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh. everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
So fast forward, guys, like, oh my god, oh man. So it's actually 1:30. I started filming this video at 9 o'clock this morning. Like, so you saw me clean my house, or you saw me clean the kitchen rather, and Chris got home from giving blood, and he, not that he doesn't do well, but he definitely like just gets a little anxious about that. So I needed to like hang out with him and like make sure he had eaten, and like gave him a glass of water and stuff like that. And then actually, like, real life won't hide it. We're actually having an ant problem right now in our house, and we can't figure out where they're coming from. So when I was cleaning off camera, I took out the trash and I cleaned the trash bin. But when I like lifted the trash can up, like there were ants all underneath the trash. It was so gross. I wanted to throw up. So I needed to like handle that situation, like make sure that like there was no food left in the kitchen. And yeah, so that, oh my god, there's an ant right there. I'm looking at one. Oh my god, I can't. I'm having an ant problem. So in any case, yeah, so now we ordered pizza. So like I said, it's 1:30. We just ordered pizza. Pizza's on the way. After pizza gets here, then I'm gonna make my sweet potato muffins. I do have a sweet potato boiling on the stove right now because you do need half a cup of mashed sweet potato for this recipe. So that's boiling on the stove right now. You'll see that in a little bit. But I'm gonna eat pizza, and then after pizza gets here, then I will continue on with this recipe. Oh my god, what a nightmare like today's been. So this recipe actually calls for 6 tablespoons of sweet potato. I apologize for misspeaking earlier. And it's a ½ cup of coconut flour, 4 eggs, a ¼ cup of coconut oil, and then apple cider vinegar, baking soda, maple syrup, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. I will have all the details linked in my description box. But yeah, so I just took that sweet potato and I mashed it like kind of like a little puree. And here I am just kind of throwing everything together. The recipe said that this would make 10 muffins, and I only got 7 out of it. So keep that in mind. I'm sure for larger families, you may want to double this, or maybe even think about using like a larger, like a jumbo size muffin pan versus like a regular size one. So yeah, those are like the only things that I wanted to add on this recipe, and I will leave you to get back to the rest of this video.
Day by day, desperate fight. My fears are waiting for me at the outside. Overwhelmed, feeling low. I'm the star in this depressing one-man show. Wish I would be able to flee, but I'm not stable. Wouldn't stand a chance, it's just too much to handle. I need an inspiration, another world I have to see. I travel with my pollen station to a place of fantasy. Whatever I wanna be, nothing blocks me, I'm free. I'm gonna beat my enemies. As a king or as a knight, I will reign, I will fight until I shine in the night. Why should I stay? Please take me away from the light. I don't belong. With might and with force, I'm winning the war. No fears, here is where I'm truly strong. Why should I stay? Why should I stay? Please take me away. All has changed, no time to wait. Orcs and demons lurking, but I'm not afraid. Well prepared, confident, rushing through the halls with the sword in my hand. Getting stronger every hour, casting spells with so much power. People raise my banner, tanks on every castle tower. No quest too hard.
So here is the finished product, guys. I know these don't look the best, but I can assure you they are absolutely delicious. Oh my goodness, these are my favorite. So that actually wraps up today's video. Like I said, I know that those muffins don't look the best, but I promise they are so good. Just give them a try, especially like with a little bit of butter and like maybe some honey. Like, oh, they are so good. So, yeah, and like I said, you can swap out sweet potato. You could do squash, you could do pumpkin. I'm sure you could probably even do applesauce. I'm gonna leave the recipe down below. Again, this is not my recipe. I didn't create it. I'm just kind of like spreading the word. But yeah, so that wraps up today's video. Make sure you check out my other videos this week. I'll have a playlist linked down in the description box. But yeah, so thank you so much, guys. I love you forever, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.